We specialize in providing mind, body, spirit healing to support you. The best time to meditate is right after waking up or before going to sleep. Practice consistently for 7 days, and you will feel inner peace and experience a transformation in your life. Inside each of us lives an inner child who never truly grows up. Our relationship with this inner child deeply affects our emotions, behaviors, and how we live our lives. Often, we may ignore the voice of this inner child, but it quietly influences us all the time. Now, we will take a journey to see our inner child, giving them love, warmth, and strength. Allow yourself to relax in a calm, quiet environment. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and let all the distractions fade away. We will begin by taking a few long, deep breaths. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. Let your breathing become slower, steadier, and deeper. Gradually, you will feel your head becoming lighter and more relaxed. Your shoulders, back, legs, and feet will also begin to relax completely. In this safe and warm space, you release all your thoughts and return to your inner self, reconnecting with your deepest feelings. Good. Now, follow my guidance as we slowly reflect on the situations in life that often trouble you. Perhaps when you meet someone you like, your heart races, and you feel nervous and uneasy. When you need to speak in front of an audience, you feel pressure and fear. When you face authority or take on new challenges and responsibilities, you feel like you're not good enough and fear failure. Or maybe when the people closest to you ignore or criticize you, you feel hurt, disappointed, or even angry. Everyone faces their own unique challenges. Now, slowly recall these moments and feel how your inner self reacts during those times. Do you feel nervous, anxious, or lacking in confidence? Do you feel unworthy, afraid of losing, or want to avoid an escape? Does a voice in your head often whisper, "I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy of love"? These emotions are signs that your inner child, the part of you that hasn't been fully healed, is calling out for attention. And that's okay. This is something we all go through. Together, we will heal this part of you. Now, imagine a doorway of time appearing before you. It's a bright, wide, and sacred door, leading you to your past memories. Step through this door and you will enter the world of your inner child. You will see the childhood version of yourself and those past scenes. Maybe it's a moment from your primary school days, or perhaps a memory from kindergarten, or even earlier. Now, walk through the doorway of time, returning to the first time you felt these emotions. You see your younger self, observe what they are doing. What events are they going through that caused such a reaction? How did they respond? What are their emotions? Are they feeling fear, loneliness, sadness, or helplessness? Slow down and deeply feel the pain and longing of this inner child. Maybe they feel neglected, or maybe they long for more love and recognition. Be patient with yourself and gently understand this younger version of you. Now, a bright, pure white light appears above your head. This is a light filled with healing energy. Let this white light shine down on your inner child. Let this healing light slowly take away the child's feelings of grievance, loneliness, anger, fear, sadness, and anxiety. You see the inner child being gently surrounded by the warmth of this light, their expression softening, becoming calmer and more relaxed. At the same time, Place your hands over your chest, feeling the warmth from your hands flowing into your heart. This warmth slowly penetrates into your inner self, wrapping around your inner child. At this moment, deeply embrace your inner child. Tell them, I see you. I know it's been hard for you. I know you feel pain and loneliness, but don't be afraid. I've always been here. I will always be by your side, no matter what you've been through. You are good. You are strong and brave, and I am proud of you. I believe in you and I love you. From today onwards, I will always be with you, sharing your joys and sorrows. Walking through every challenge together, growing together. You are no longer alone because we are one. Very good. Now, say everything you've always wanted to say to your inner child. You and your inner child are now one. You feel a deeper bond forming between your hearts. At this moment, you sense a powerful, warm light shining from within both of you. You and your inner child smile with joy. You are happy, confident, and full of strength. You both deserve all the beautiful things this world has to offer. Live your life bravely and embrace the happiness and freedom that belongs to you. During a difficult time, I found some videos that provided me with direction and calm. I hope this content brings you the same comfort and reminds you that you're not alone. For more, click the link in the comments below.